Hi everyone, already have a thumbnail but you want to make it pop? Let's edit and enhance it using the Pikzels AI Smart Tools, no Photoshop required. Let's get started. First head over to the pixels.com and log in or go to the thumbnail editor tab. Then upload an existing thumbnail or choose one previously generated. Then here you can use a text tool to change the fonts, adjust the size, and apply attention-grabbing effects like strokes or shadows. Try a bold titles like this. And then here, click the Enhance button to improve the lighting, sharpen the image quality, or automatically adjust brightness and contrast. And all AI powered. Then, if you want to add emojis or arrows, you can use a graphic tools. Just drag and drop the icons to guide the viewer's attention. And if you want a feature face, you can use a face swap. And once you're happy with the result, preview it in different sizes to make sure it stands out with both desktop and mobile. Then hit download and you're ready to upload. And that's it. The Pixels AI thumbnail editing fast, smart, and fun. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more editing hacks. Thanks for watching.